The Corsair K55 RGB Pro gaming keyboard lights up your desktop with 5-zone dynamic RGB backlighting and powers up your gameplay with 6 easy-to-set-up dedicated macro keys. When Corsair iCUE isn't running, or the keyboard is connected to a device that doesn't support iCUE, the K55 RGB Pro will operate in hardware mode and use lighting settings and recorded macros that have been saved to the keyboard's onboard memory. To change keyboard lighting effects when in hardware mode, hold the function key and press keys 1 through 5 to change static color lighting for the different lighting zones. Holding the function key and pressing keys 6 through 0 will toggle different keyboard-wide animated effects, or hold the function key and press the accent or tilde key to reset to the default watercolor effect. Macros can be recorded on the fly and are saved to onboard memory in hardware mode, or the current iCUE profile when connected to a system that has iCUE running. To record a macro, press and hold the macro button until the macro indicator begins to pulse. Recording will start after your first key press, and up to 50 key presses can be recorded in hardware mode. The indicator will blink while you are recording. Press the macro button to end recording and the indicator will now rapidly blink, signaling that the macro is ready to be saved. Now press one of the K55 RGB Pro's G keys to save the macro. Note that you can cancel macro recording at any time by pressing and holding the macro button until the macro indicator stops pulsing or blinking. To clear a recorded macro, hold the macro button until the indicator begins pulsing. Press the macro button again so that the indicator begins to rapidly blink. Then finally press the G key of the macro that you wish to clear. The full experience of the K55 RGB Pro is unlocked when paired with Corsair iCUE software, allowing you to do more with your lighting, recording and editing advanced macros, and it also allows you to take advantage of Elgato Stream Deck integration by assigning Stream Deck actions to the K55 RGB Pro's G keys using the Elgato Stream Deck software. And that's it. For more information about the Corsair K55 RGB Pro gaming keyboard, check us out at Corsair.com.